Oče in Sin in Sveti Duh. Živimo v miru.
Just a couple of announcements before we leave the church. As you know, now reflection groups will take place, and I will just read through all the groups so you know in which one you were put in. Group number 1, and for every group, one of the organizers will take you to where you will have the group. So group number 1, Matani Rita, Erdodi Orsolja, Sara Ogero, Simon Ambrogio, Selina Sauer, Georg Schatke.
Choose the group number 1.
Yeah, okay, that will be easier. Marin spodaj levo. Okay, so group number 2 will go with Aljaž. Raise your hand, Aljaž. Okay. Marin Dom Dvorana. Ne, spodaj desno. Group number 3 will go with Polona and Marin Dom Dvorana. Group number 4 will go with Jakob, Neo zgoraj levo. Group number 5 will go with Eva, and you are Neo zgoraj desno.